model, 2010 plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 2.0 Sdi starts runs needs gearbox repair ex-British gas van no VAT. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 114266. MOT, the 14th of November 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 1.9 Sdi, 69E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox is stuck between neutral and reverse, the selector is jammed so the gearbox needs repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest